little adventurers. Hello and welcome to ToddlerEd. Today, we're going to be exploring the great outdoors with our little adventurers and setting up some fun challenges for them to complete. You tiny trailblazers, this is the show where we turn your backyard into a playground of fun and excitement. We've got an epic adventure planned for you, the Outdoor Obstacle Course Challenge. Now, before we dive into the action, let's talk about what makes an awesome obstacle course. We're going to create a series of challenges that will test your physical abilities, make you laugh, and most importantly, guarantee loads of fun. Are you ready to become a little trailblazer? First, we'll need to find a suitable location where the toddlers can safely run around and play without any obstacles or hazards. A backyard or local park would be perfect for this activity. Now, before we dive into the action, let's talk about what makes an awesome obstacle course. We're going to create a series of challenges that will test your physical abilities, make you laugh, and most importantly, guarantee loads of fun. Are you ready to become a little trailblazer? For example, we could set up a course that involves jumping over cones, crawling under a makeshift tunnel, and hopping on one foot through a series of hula hoops. This not only promotes physical activity, but also helps toddlers develop their gross motor skills. Another fun obstacle course could involve balancing on a wooden beam, walking through a maze of chairs, and climbing over a small wall made of cardboard boxes. This promotes balance, coordination, and problem-solving skills. Throughout the course, we'll encourage the toddlers to use their imaginations and pretend they are on a jungle safari or running away from a monster. We'll make it fun and engaging so they'll want to keep playing and exploring. It's important to remember that safety comes first. We'll make sure that the obstacle courses are age-appropriate and that the toddlers are supervised at all times. We'll also provide plenty of water breaks and rest periods to prevent exhaustion. Finally, we'll encourage the toddlers to cheer each other on and celebrate their accomplishments. We'll make sure that everyone gets a chance to complete the obstacle course and have fun. All right, let's kick things off with our first challenge, the limbo. Set up a bar or a pool noodle between two objects, and let's see how low you can go. Wiggle under the bar without touching it. It's like dancing, but with a limbo twist. Look at our little trailblazers go. Limbo, how low can you go? Now that we've warmed up, let's move on to Challenge 2, the Tire Traverse. Lay out a line of tires and step across them like a tightrope walker. It's all about balance and precision. Can you make it from one end to the other without touching the ground? Steady! Our tiny trailblazers are conquering the tire traverse like pros! Next up, it's Challenge 3, the Hula Hoop Hopscotch. Lay out some hula hoops in a hopscotch pattern, and instead of hopping on squares, you'll jump into the hoops. Get creative with your jumps. Can you land in each hoop without touching the ground? Hop, skip, and jump. Our little trailblazers are turning hopscotch into a hula hoop masterpiece. All right, challenge number 4, the beanbag balance. Place beanbags or soft objects on the ground and challenge yourself to walk across them without falling. It's like stepping stones, but a lot squishier. Can you make it to the other side without touching the grass? Look at those balancing acts. Our tiny trailblazers are tiptoeing through the beanbag minefield. Woohoo! Great job, everyone! And there you have it, little adventurers. A backyard full of fun and exciting challenges. Remember, the key is to have a blast, laugh a lot, and celebrate every victory, no matter how small. So grab your friends, set up your own obstacle course, and let the adventure begin. Until next time, keep blazing those trails, tiny trailblazers. Thanks for tuning in to Totally Toddler Ed.